So hopefully that'll turn out.
A hazy day behind you, Russ. Thank you very much. 9:01 now on BT Vancouver. The province has rolled out a new directive asking British Columbians to stick to 6 when it comes to socializing with others. But is this realistic with schools back in session across the province? Our Greg Harper has been following this story for us all morning. He joins us live now in Port Moody. Good morning, Greg.
Good morning, Mary, and that's the big question. As things expand, like the resumption of school, is it even feasible to keep these social circles, to keep our social circles relatively small? So I'm just outside Cole Moody Middle School here in Port Moody. Drop-off just happened not long ago. Seeing quite a few teachers wearing masks, some students as well arriving today. So yesterday, BC Health Minister Adrian Dix used a new phrase. It's kind of catchy, stick to 6. He said over and over again, urging British Columbians to adopt this to keep the social bubble to a maximum of 6 people, the same 6 people for any gatherings.
Stick to 6 if you're hosting a small gathering in your home, and if your home is smaller, if it's an apartment like mine, less than 6. Stick to 6 when you're going out with others or having them over. Remember to choose from the same group of people, the same 6 people, not multiple groups. Stick to 6 when your plans with others outside your host household. Have a contact keeper so we can assist you and find people if you are exposed to COVID-19.
You really can do that. And I would say that a lot of school districts have really understood the psychology around the number 60 or 120. They're such large groups, and they still don't really make sense to teachers. And so a lot of school districts we're seeing are really reducing the size of the cohorts to a much smaller number, but it's still a lot of additional people in your bubble, if you will. And so, it's still concerning, the fact that there isn't physical distancing and the fact that there isn't a robust mask policy.
Still a lot of concern from the BC Teachers Federation as we head into the second day of school, with thousands of students once again heading back to the classroom. Keeping social bubbles small, even more of a challenge now for our younger generation. I'm asking this question here this morning in Port Moody. Is the stick to 6 message from the province realistic at this time?
Well, it's easy for us because we're just the 2 of us. But, for some bigger groups, I think they should try. But if it's impossible, it's impossible.
I mean, obviously, you've got to take it seriously, but at the same time, I think it's really important the kids get back to school. I mean, it's, for us in particular, I want our daughter to start to meet new friends. And she's not going to be able to do that if she's bubbled at home.
The bubble of 6? Yeah, I hadn't actually considered that it was the same 6 people all the time. I would have to cut my bubble down a little bit from what it's been through the summer.
And keeping the social circle to just a maximum of 6 people, that may be a challenge for a lot of people. Mary?
All right. Thank you so much, Greg. That is our Greg Harper reporting in Port Moody. And the day that all public schools opened across the province, BC